There goes the same Cessna across the street. Or it could be a Grand Caravan. We can't be sure. My phone just can't be sure, and I can't be trusted. This actually could be a whale. See that palm tree? That might not actually even be a palm tree. We can't be sure. That's not a military helicopter with a blue bottom and a white top. The next morning at 7:45 a.m. Military helicopter with a blue bottom, white top. And the day before, when I first noticed it, later that evening, they flew the police helicopter low over my house, and I tried to juke it left and right 7 times, and he did everything he could to stay perfectly over me to show me the bottom of a white police helicopter. And then the next day I see the blue bottom military. It's like, okay,